guys, this is Bharat Chachad and welcome to my another video of if and ifs in Google Sheets. The previous video I uploaded it was about Microsoft Excel. Now this video is about Google Sheets. Okay, so the only difference between both of the spreadsheet programs is that what Google Sheets does. Google Sheets have a function known as ifs, but Microsoft Excel does not have a function known as ifs. So today I am gonna tell you about the ifs function in Google Sheets. Ifs is just a multiple criteria. I will enter the whole formula again for you guys. Okay, I've done this earlier. So what ifs contains is simply you can just put a question mark here for a simple guide. Condition 1. What should be the condition 1? The condition 1 should be this is equal to Rohit. If A4 is equal to Rohit, then give me the value 45. Okay. Then comes the condition second. What condition second is? If this is equal to Jasprit, then give me the value 93. Okay. Then comes the condition third. Okay. In this small square opened up here, they haven't shown the condition 3, but you can type as many conditions as possible. They have mentioned here optional or repeatable. So the first condition was A4 is equal to Rohit, then give me value 45. And now the second condition is that A4 is equal to Jasprit, then give me value 93. So now the third criteria is if A4 is equal to Rishabh, then give me value 77. Then my fourth criteria is if A4 is equal to Surya, then give me value 77. Then my fifth criteria is if A4 is equal to, sorry, you have to put the criteria. If the criteria is in text, you have to put it in the double column. Ishan, then give me the output 23. And then my sixth criteria is if A4 is equal to uh, Trent, then give me value 18. So now obviously it will give me NA because this contains a blank. This cell has blank. This is a blank cell, I mean. If I enter names here, it will give me the result like 18. This was my criterion number 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th. Yes, 6th criteria this was 18. So it gave me the result 18. As simple as that. I will enter Ishan, it will give me 23. That was my fifth criteria. If A4 is equal to Ishan, then give me 23. Surya, jersey number 77. This was my fourth criteria. Sorry. If it gives me Surya, give me 77. And rightly Google Sheets have gave me 77 here in this cell. So this is ifs. The only advantage you have is that you don't have to write each time, you don't have to write if here like we used to do in Microsoft Excel. I have shown you in the earlier video. This is the only advantage of Google Sheets. It has ifs function, whereas Microsoft Excel doesn't have a ifs function, sorry. Talking about the if function is nothing greater than Microsoft Excel. The if function exactly if function exactly works same as Microsoft Excel. Logical expression, value if true and value if false. If this is equal to Jadeja, sorry, then give me the value 18, or else give me the name false. See, since this cell is blank, it will give me false, but as soon as I enter here Jadeja, it will give me 18. This is not actually his jersey number, his actually jersey number is 8, so it will give me 8. So this is how the ifs function in Google Sheets. I will explain you once again. Ifs is just nothing but multiple criteria. The first criteria here is A4 is equal to Rohit, then it will give me the value 45. The second criteria is if A4 is equal to Jasprit, then it will give me 93. The third criteria is if A4 is equal to Rishabh, then it will give me 77. If A4 is equal to Surya, then it will give me 77, and it has given you 77. I have shown you it has given me 77. Then if A4 is equal to Ishan, it will give me 23, and I will show you once again. See, it has given me 23. And if A4 is equal to Trent, it will give me 18. 18, Trent 18. And if I will enter Rohit, it will give me 45. Sorry, Shikhar is, I have not specified Shikhar, I think here. No, I haven't. So it will give me NAO itself, because there is nothing named as Shikhar here. Rishabh 77, it has came rightly. So this is the functioning of ifs in Google Sheets. Thank you, and kindly subscribe this channel for more videos related to Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets.